Hey, in this price prediction, we'll be talking about FET. I'm on my iPad, I'm not home, but I want to record this video as fast as possible because we basically got the perfect short right here for 4%. And then we managed to pull this through. And the question is, am I buying right here at this level? And it all really comes down to what does the market tell us. So right here, we have pretty much sellers are in control. We had a very good buying opportunity right here that I marked for you in the last video. I didn't manage to buy it even though we tapped from it and we went up around 7% in this move right here. Right now, I'm not really interested in buying at all. So what I would want to do is I would wait for a pump to the upside, maybe this level or this level. So let me just show you here. So ideally around 28 cents and short to the downside. It really depends on how the whole market reacts though to everything that's going on, especially Bitcoin. That's what's moving this, but we lost the support here. Buyers were in control right here, and now sellers are in control with this week 65 mil sellers, 59 mil buyers over, like around 11%, 10 to 11% in favor of sellers. So again, I wait for another pump and then we dump. Ideally, we want view up to curve this graphing right here to curve. If it curves, this graphing right here, if it curves down, we can take a beautiful short. So yeah, let's see. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. This video is no financial advice. See you next one. Bye.